Hi guys, Joey here. I am back with this week's video. This week I will do an apartment tour and I'm really excited today because my house is super clean in my opinion. And today in the house tour, extra bonus would be I'll be talking about a new clothing that I got and also something cool that I did with one of my clothes. So without further ado, let's get started. So as usual, we will start off in my living room. A couple of items that I bought today. It's actually a bunch of books. I got a gift card, a little over $100 worth for my birthday, and then I decided to buy some books with it. Some of my customers complain that I don't have TV at home and at the salon, and it's true. I've never grown up watching TV. My parents didn't keep TV in the house, so I've never had a TV. I never owned one. So I'm not used to watching it, and nowadays people usually look at their phone anyway, and I don't feel like I have to install a TV in a workspace. So I just got a bunch of magazines or something because I asked my customers, would you be happier if I had something to read for you guys? And they said yes. So that's what I did today. I went to the bookstore, which was really pretty. I'll include the video clip of the bookstore at the end of the video. But here's some stuff in my fridge, a bunch of meat that I need to do a meal prep for, and down here is also a bunch of sausages and broccoli that I got today that I need to cook. I have some apples and some spicy sauce, and then over here is actually chicken that I got. Well, I don't want to show the brand of the chicken, but yeah, I was being a bad girl last night. But then again, Monday nights are my Friday nights, so I do indulge myself sometimes with delivery food. And now we will finally move into my closet. So these are all the clothes that I wear on a daily basis. That's why I keep them out here. And any clothes that I don't wear, like summer clothes and things like that, I actually keep in the suitcases in here. So yeah, that's why I have such little clothes, and I don't even need a closet because I'll just pull out something from there and then wear it. And over here, one of the exciting things is that I got this mermaid skirt that I will show you guys in the video clip. And then I actually custom, tailored it so that it would fit my body better, and I will include a video clip of that too. So one of my customers is actually a seamstress, and these pants, although I wore it a lot because they're kind of like a thicker dress pants, they're a little bit big on my waist, and now she was able to trim them so they fit me quite nicely. It's a little bit loose on the upper butt area, but I think that just means I just need to do more squats. So that was cool, and I would just briefly talk about my bed setup. So this is kind of like a floor bed futon, and then I can actually remove the cover of that and wash it. A lot of people who watch my channel have asked me where I got that. I literally just got it from a Korean traditional market, so I don't think you can find the exact copy online or anything like that, but you can search for search terms like Japanese futon or floor mattress or something like that. If you want to start living furniture free. So over here in the kitchen, I'm really happy because I've taken out some trash, and these are actually laundry that I need to take to work. So those are clean laundry. I need to fold them at work. Some socks that I'm gonna wear later if I go out today. Here's water. And over here is my kitchen cabinet. And you can see some extra toilet paper. I use toilet paper for everything, so I got a couple of them in the kitchen and a couple of them in the bathroom. So these I will use to wipe down countertops or something, which is super convenient. And then yeah, I have some more cooking utensils, which I said in my last video. My folks, my mom, she brought me a bunch of utensils that I can use, so that was really nice of her. And I haven't decluttered them yet because I am using them. And over here it's just some shoes that I don't wear. I keep in a plastic bag. Yeah, like I said, don't be afraid of using storage space. Just because it's in the kitchen doesn't mean you have to keep only kitchen things in here. So there's that. And yeah, we will move into my bathroom now. And we will move into my bathroom. I'm really excited because I cleaned the bathroom a little bit. And remember, you guys, I had a drainage cleaner thing solution before. I finally did that. I just need to wait for an hour. Over here, before I show you guys and talk about my soap and stuff, there's my shampoo and conditioner that I keep down there. They're pretty tall, so I don't have to bend down as much, so I keep them there. But this is hair pack that I keep them on here, because if I had that on the floor, I have to bend down a little more, and that doesn't look too clear. It's just one item on there. And over here, I have my razor propped up here. It keeps them from getting, rusted. And then I don't have to buy a razor holder. I can just prop it on there. And here's the state of my soap, guys. It does disintegrate, and I told you guys in my other videos that I actually propped up a big bar of soap here so I don't have to get a soap container. But now it's like this mess, you know? But it's kind of sticky, so I just kind of like mashed it on there. There's a joke that I made with a friend of mine. I told her like it's a very fine line between being a minimalist and being a bum, and like, you know, I think it's like it's funny to make fun of yourself a little bit because it's kind of true, you know. Yeah, but there's like a fine line between being resourceful, you know, like I don't know, but yeah, I like to make fun of it. It's not harming anybody. It's not like I'm like some guy like mooching off of a girlfriend's house or anything like that. So yeah, I just thought, you know, that's something that I would make fun of myself. But I don't care. It helps me save money. Minimalism has been very useful for me, so it works for me. And over here, it's just a bunch of like creams, and you can see the state on my hand. It breaks out a lot because of all the chemicals and shampooing that I do at work. But yeah, there's some sewing kit that I don't really use because I don't like to waste time on like doing like small manual things like that. But if I need to, they're there. And then my lotion, some toilet paper, and then I'm almost out of this deodorant. And then over here you don't see sunscreen, and you don't see my foam cleanser because I have used them up, which I'm very happy about. I don't think I'm going to get a foam cleanser new one yet. I'll just use soap to remove my makeup and see how that goes for a while. But I do need a new sunscreen, yeah. But another thing you might have noticed is, although I'm a woman, I don't have any tampons and I don't have any pads. It's because I have long-term birth control, which means I rarely ever have a period. I rarely bleed, and if I do bleed, sometimes I'll just use like toilet paper. I don't know, like I don't care. It's just saving money, and it's such a rare occasion anyway, so that I would need like a period pad. So that's what's going on. And you guys, that seems like that's the entirety of my house tour, and I'll just do an outro now. Hi guys, so that was a tour of my entire apartment. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, anything that you want to ask me within reason, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye!